Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about histology of dental pulp. So let's start our topic with introduction. The histology of dental pulp is fascinating as it reveals the intricate structure and function of this vital tissue. Now we'll talk about zones of dental pulp. The dental pulp is divided into distinct zones depending on their histological view or how they look in histological slide or histological section. The first zone they have, we will start from outside inward, means from the dentine towards the pulp core. So first layer it has is odontoblastic zone. The second zone or layer it has is cell-free zone. The third zone the pulp has is cell-rich zone, and the fourth zone is pulp core. So they are the four zones of dental pulp that differ in histological section, and then that gives the pulp its characteristic features. So we will talk about these zone one by one. First, we will talk about odontoblastic zone, that is our outermost zone or outermost layer adjacent to dentine. It contains odontoblasts, which are columnar cells that is responsible for producing and maintaining dentin. Odontoblasts are more active during dentinogenesis and exhibit polarity, that is, nucleus at the base and secretory apparatus at the apex. Their process extends into the duodenal tubule, forming the dentin pulp complex, and these processes are called odontoblastic processes. Now we will talk about the second zone or cell-free zone, that is also called as zone of Weil. It is located beneath the odontoblastic layer and appears cell-free under low magnification, but it contains a rich network of capillaries and nerve fibers, and it also has fine collagen fibers and ground substance. It acts as a buffer zone and facilitates the movement of cells and nutrients between other layers. Now we have another zone, that is third zone, that is called as cell-rich zone. It lies beneath the cell-free zone and it contains numerous fibroblasts, the most abundant cells in the pulp. It also contains undifferentiated mesenchymal cell, which can differentiate into odontoblasts or other connective tissue cells when required. It can also contain immune cells that are like macrophages and lymphocytes that provide defense mechanism. This zone supports tissue repair and regeneration in event of injury. Now we'll talk about the innermost zone of the dental pulp, that is pulp core. The central mass of dental pulp. It contains loose connective tissue with abundant blood vessels and nerve fibers. It has a mixture of collagen, ground substance, and cells for structural integrity and metabolic functions. Now we will talk about cellular composition of dental pulp. The pulp contains various variety of cells, including odontoblasts that are specialized in synthesizing dentin. It also contains fibroblasts that produce and maintain the extracellular matrix, and contain undifferentiated mesenchymal cells that serve as a reservoir for cell differentiation, and immune cells that are macrophages, dendritic cells, and lymphocytes for defense. Then we have extracellular matrix in dental pulp. That matrix consists of collagen fiber, mostly type 1 and type 3 collagens are there. Then the extracellular matrix have ground substance that is rich in proteoglycans and glycoprotein that provide structural support. And then we have vascular supply, we will talk about in dental pulp. The pulp is highly vascularized. Blood vessels enter through the apical foramen. Capillaries branch extensively within the pulp, ensuring nutrients delivery and waste removal. Then we have neural supply of pulp. The pulp is richly innervative nerve fibers from rachioplexus near the odontoblastic layer. Sensory nerves detect stimuli like temperature and pressure. So this was all about histology of dental pulp. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. If you need video on any topic, we just simplify and break down the topics into small heading for the better understanding. If you want any video on any topic, you can comment. Thank you for watching.